my name is Brianna and today we'll be cooking the famous feta cheese pasta. I'm just gonna run through all the ingredients we're gonna need to cook this and then we'll get started. So for your fresh produce, I have some tomatoes here. It's about 16 ounces, one of these, but I probably have two of these just because my family loves tomatoes. So you have those tomatoes, a lemon, some fresh basil, and garlic as well. We'll put in some garlic, and then we're gonna use some feta cheese, a whole block of feta cheese. And we will use olive oil. And then of course, the pasta, I have wheat penne, wheat penne. Is that how you say it? I don't know, but I have some pasta right here. So that's for the pasta. And then I'm also adding chicken. So for the chicken, I'm doing onion powder, cayenne pepper if you like it spicy, that's optional. Also some garlic powder, and again, salt and pepper for that chicken as well. So today we'll be using a total of 3 pans. I have this one for the feta and the tomatoes to go in the oven. And then I have a medium-sized pan for the chicken, as well as a pot for the pasta to boil in. I do currently have the oven set at 400 preheating. But other than that, I think that's it. We could get started. Let's see. Have you guys go down right there. All right, so I'm gonna place in the tomatoes. And I have a little extra over here. My family loves tomatoes. We don't want to be fighting over tomatoes. Get this little green part out of here. And don't worry, I washed my hands. All right, then we're gonna add our feta. Open this up. Oh, it smells wonderful. All right, so we're just gonna take this out. We're gonna place it in the middle. Nice in the middle. Trying to squeeze it in there. Oop, got all these tomatoes. Oop. Pause just for a second. Let me pause that. All right, so now that we got this feta in here, there we go. Let me rinse my hands off. All right, we're just gonna add some olive oil, maybe like a tablespoon. Just drizzle it over. Be generous. So we got some olive oil. Now we're gonna do some pepper. Also, just to your liking. There we are. Some oregano. And then I'm just gonna cut this lemon and add that in there. All right, so I cut my lemon. I also chopped up some garlic. I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon in here. I'm doing a whole lemon. There we go, and then I'm just gonna throw that garlic on top, as so. There it is, and we're just gonna throw this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, here I have 2 chicken breasts, And I am just gonna thin it out. So cutting it in half vertically, and like making it into a butterfly. There we go. And then I'm just gonna cut these into smaller pieces. Our seasonings. I'm just gonna do some olive oil first, about a tablespoon. Then I am going to salt this chicken. That should be good. Pepper. And again, the salt and pepper to your liking. I don't really like to measure things. I just kind of pour with the heart. And this is our garlic powder. Then we're gonna do some onion powder. Nice and coated. Some cayenne pepper if you like it a little spicy. That should be good. Then I'm just gonna get a spoon, stir it all up. I might just add a little bit. Filled about halfway of pasta. Now I'm just gonna put some water in this. People like to boil their water and then add their pasta, but not today. Let's see. But yeah, so now we're just waiting for things to cook. I'll give you an update when things are almost done. All right, so while we're waiting for everything to cook, I thought we could cut up the basil. So I have about a handful of basil. I took off from the stem, and I'm just gonna chop this up finely, bringing it in a bunch together. There we go, and we're just gonna up. There we are, and this is just for the garnish to go on top. I'm just gonna throw this in a bowl and put it in the fridge until everything is all done. Done. Tomatoes just came out of the oven. Doesn't it look great? Oh, I'm so excited. So now I have like a potato masher. I'm just gonna smash the tomatoes. Not the cheese, just the tomatoes on the side. All right, so I'm just smashing the tomatoes on the side. That looks like it's enough. To the side. Then I have a spoon. Now I'm just gonna mix the feta, the tomatoes. Ooh, came out so good, guys. Just looking at it. Here we are. Add some fresh basil to the top. Whoa, can you see that? Doesn't that look great? And that's it. That's the feta pasta recipe with a little twist.